Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. We've got another Gothic beauty box unboxing. This has been sent to me to review. I had to cut off all my nails last night. I broke and I couldn't be dealing with different ones. It's just so weird now, which means I now can't undo this box. Are you going to be able to do it with nail clippers? Oh my god, does not want to open. I have one of these before. They sent me one late last year, and I loved it. It was so good. And I kind of assumed it was a one-off, but another one has arrived, so that's always nice. Get out. Oh, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. We're nearly a minute in. I'm sorry. There we go. Right, we're in. Ooh, so you can either buy just the Gothic Beauty magazine on its own, or you can buy it with the box. I'll leave links down below, but the magazine has got loads of, like, look at all these bloody gorgeous women, and it's got loads of articles and stuff, and yeah, it's just really cool. It's just a really nice, if you're into kind of like Gothic beauty and stuff, then it is definitely a good one for you. We've got a little thing telling us about what is in the box, so we'll look at that in a minute. And then it looks like, ooh, it looks like this. So we've got a sticker, lip service sticker. I'm assuming there must be something, a lipstick or something in it, but I'll have a look. So what have we got? Lip service stickers. This is stickers. There may be another one. Let's have a look. What are you? Oh, that's another one. We've got a little coffin one. What are you? You are a necklace. This is an ankh, and this is from Eerie Baubles. That's really cute. I love an ankh. I've got a few of those. That's really nice. We've got a pin, which is super cute. Where are you? Why can't I see you? Special Gothic Beauty enamel pin from Strangeling, by internationally renowned artist Jasmine Beckett Griffith. The exclusive collab is only available for Gothic Beauty subscribers and supporters of Jasmine's Patreon on the top secret Strangeling tier. That's really cute. Look, I love them. I've got so many pins. I need to find, I'm still looking for like the perfect denim jacket to put all my pins on, because I've got so many. Yeah, it annoys me that I haven't managed to find one yet. I'm always in the charity shops looking. What are you? We've got a ginger dead mold from Castle Merc. This is really cute. I think it's like for I don't know, I'd assume it's for like cookies or something, or like chocolate, I don't know. It's really cute. And it's a gingerbread, but he's ginger dead. That's super cute. I like the fact that it's not all just like makeup stuff, that there's other things in it as well. What are you? Oh, are these arm things? Why can't I see you on there? Fingerless black spiderweb stretch gloves. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I've got some of these upstairs. I absolutely love them. They've got, I've literally got this same pair upstairs, so I will put these into a giveaway. But they're, they've got like the thumb hole, and then they are fingerless at the top. But I've literally got the exact same pair upstairs, and I don't need two pairs because I only have two arms. So I will put those into a giveaway. I'm getting a little collection of things because I haven't done a giveaway in ages. Where are they from again? They're from Charlotte's Vale, and they do loads of like gothy kind of alternative clothing. What are you? It's just an entirely black box apart from ingredients. I don't know what this is. I can't get it out. What are you? I think the bottle tells me what it is. Oh, it's a dark asteroid, pretty ghostly foundationing and lightening potion. Suitable to be used as a very white foundation or mixed with other foundations to lighten for a more subtle ghostly finish. So that would be good for like Halloween and stuff. Or if you've accidentally bought a foundation that's the wrong colour, that I do a lot. We've got a Lashy Doodle soft black makeup blender. I need a new beauty blender, so let's hope this is a nice one. Ooh, it says Lashy Doodle on it, like really faint. You can, you guys are gonna be able to see that, but it says Lashy Doodle there. Yeah, look, it says that's already soft, so when that's wet, that'll be really nice. My beauty blender I'm currently using is so old and very ripped. Ooh, Spooky Spirits Midnight Cherry Vanilla. What are you? Essential oil. It says use on your temples. I love them. Oh my god, that smells incredible. Oh my god, that smells, it's like cherry and vanilla, but that is I want to say something from like the Body Shop. God, that takes me back to being like 15. That, oh, I want to lick it. I'm not going to, because it's for external use only, but that's lovely. What are you? Are you an eyeliner? Eyeliner stamp. Ooh. Get out. It's got a heart. It's got a heart. I was really annoyed the other day. I went to buy myself a new eyeliner and it was a Revolution XX one. And I picked it up and it was, I paid for it, didn't get a receipt, and it was the wrong one. I was fuming. That's got a nice little, quite a sharp wing on that. Nice little one. And then it's got a stamp on this end, which is a love heart. Cute. Let's just, should we put one on for the school run? I've got no makeup on today. Cute. Love that. The girls will love that as well. And then what is the last thing in here? What are you? What are you? Again, it doesn't tell me what it is. It's just a, oh no, liquid eyeliner. Ooh. Let's have a look. Who are you from? I don't know what the brand is. It doesn't, there's no branding on it. It's just a black. I am so rubbish at these, at like liquid eyeliner. But, oh, actually, that's done a nice sharp. Ooh, I want to know what the brand is though. It says vegan, cruelty free. But there's no brand on it. Soft makeup blender. Lashy Doodle eyeliner marker and stamp. Midnight Cherry Vanilla Essential Oil. Ank. Ginger Dead. Lip Service stickers. Oh, Deepest Black Liquid Eyeliner by Storm Cloud. Never heard of that brand, but that's nice. I really like that. I think that was a really good box. I'm happy with all those things. I need new eyeliners and stuff, so I'm a happy little panda with that. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna, oh my god, there's so much. I think the only thing, the lightning thing, I would definitely try it. I bought a Revolution foundation a few months ago and it was darker than I thought it was going to be, so I'll give it a go because it says like compatible foundation, so I don't know. I'd have to see what if it were like mixed as well, because like if some are like sort of more oily than watery, they might not mix together, but I will give that a go and see what it's like. That was lovely. Thanks so much for Gothic Beauty for sending it to me, and I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.